I'm asking you to find potential x, x and y. So there's a potential 0 t as defined. And I'll proceed like this. Okay, this circuit very big. Potential x and y, that is what needed, no? So I'll define the potentials, no? (20 plus y). Just put a round like this, huh? And this is 0 volt. This should be 20 potential difference. So this is 20 means this should be 10 volt. I'm taking help of a cell. Okay, then we have here 20 volt is there. So therefore this should be minus 10. I'm taking help of cell. Who will help us to define these potentials? The cells. I started from here. I started, this is y already as given. So y, okay, I don't know what is the value of y. Then what is the potential difference? 20 volts. So as this is y, 20 plus y. Potential difference is 20 volts. So 20 minus 0. This potential difference 10 volt. Already I took 20. So this should be 10. 20 minus 10, this will be 10. This potential difference 20 volt. This already I defined 10. So therefore minus 10. 10 minus of minus 10, 20. And this should be 20. So here this will be already this I defined x. So what is the alternative now? X plus 20. I think now where you are going to look at? Isolated junction. So isolated junction is here. How many capacitors are there? 4 capacitors are there. So 4 potential drops, you are going to write it. Okay, there's everything we'll call this like a node, yellow color node and blue color node. And there's also okay, we'll write the equation now. Yellow color node. Just a practice, it's a skill. I'm telling you, it's not a concept, it's a skill. The moment you practice and understand, finish over. There's no any concept involved here. It's a skill that will come by practice. Okay, now how to write? 4 capacitors are there, no? Okay, let me begin with. So from here, like, what is the potential charge of that should be considered? So potential difference 20y minus 10. 20y minus of minus 10 into 5. So capacitance. So we write potential difference Q equal to C into V. 5 into 20 plus y minus of minus 10 plus this will be 10 farad 20 plus y minus 20 plus this will be 10 farad y minus 20 plus 5 farad y minus 0. All set equals 0 because initially there was no charge. There was no charge here. If any, so now you can ask question, sir, this is having some charge. You are going to bring that in RHS here. Nobody will ask you, but will be very okay. But charge distribution you can't do. So even don't ask me, sir, distribute charge, please. I had to really put easily 1 hour I should sit, or at least half an hour. I should sit and they should distribute charge. Charge of a cell should be considered. Charge of a junction should be considered. Node analysis is a method. Okay, let's simplify this. This will be 5 into 30 plus y. So this will be 10y. This will be no. Similarly, we'll go for blue color node. At blue color node. Then x minus x minus of minus 10 into capacitance, how much? It is 10 plus x minus 5 x plus 20 minus 10. This is 10. This will be 5 into equal to 0. So this will be 10 into x plus 10, 5 into x minus 10. This will be 10 into x plus 10. Solving 1 and 2 will get x and y. Once you get x and y, rest everything you can calculate. If you know x, you'll get the charge here. If you know x, you'll get the charge here. Okay, this one. If you know x, you'll get the charge here. If you know y, oh no problem. Anybody? Value
x is equal to minus 25 by 3, y is equal to 5 by 3.
Y equal to minus or plus?
Plus 5 by 3.
There's a universal